Hey, it's prepper action, and it's grilling time again. So, I thought I would share a steak marinade that I've been using for years. This recipe is for 2 steaks. This marinade uses acids in the form of vinegar to break down the proteins to tenderize the meat. Actually, the acid relaxes the proteins in the meat, making it more tender. One rule is to do not over-marinate. 4 to 6 hours is about right depending on the thickness of the cut of the steak. An overnight marinade has very good results as well. But too long and the meat will become tough again. If the protein is in a very acidic marinade, the protein bonds tighten, water is squeezed out, and the meat becomes tough. So you might be thinking that these vinegars are going to make the steak taste, well, vinegary, right? Well, that's not the case. The 4 types of vinegars used here balance very well. A fairly tight, textured cut of meat like flank steak can survive a more acidic marinade. Since the marinade only penetrates a fraction of an inch, it won't toughen the meat. Another type of marinade is dairy products. Hunters have long known to marinate tough game in milk. Indian recipes use yogurt marinades for lamb and tough goat meat. And some southern cooks soak chicken in buttermilk before frying. Buttermilk and yogurt are only mildly acidic, so they don't toughen the meat the way strongly acidic marinades can. It is not quite clear how the tenderizing occurs, but it seems that calcium in dairy products activates enzymes in the meat that break down proteins, a similar process to the way that aging tenderizes meat. Important is after you grill your steak however you like it, medium rare. Well done is not acceptable. It is important to let the steak rest for a few minutes before cutting into it. I hope you enjoy this recipe and try it out. Let me know what you think. Prepper action out. That's good.